Hey guys, today we're going to be reviewing this amazing new product. My name's Dean and we're going to be looking at the Acenew Neutron 1200. Let's have a look inside the box. Right, inside the top of the box here we've got a very nice little black box with the most important parts in it. It has the manual, the power adapter, kind of important if you want to charge it. Also has the Anderson connector, so if you want to hook up something fancy like solar panels, and also a car charger adapter, making it really useful to use. Underneath here, wow, let's actually have a look at the product itself. Right, underneath here we've got this lovely protective bag. Let's remove it and get it out of the way. On the top here, two great handles, making it really easy to lift up and move around. Honestly, it's not that heavy. As you can see there, I can do it one-handed, no problem at all. Right, so let's have a look at the product itself. On the top here, we have got a wireless charging point. So great if your phone supports a wireless charger. On the front here, we've got a 21-degree bird's eye view, making it really easy to see. We've got two USB-C ports, good for input and output. We've also got two normal USB ports, a car charger connector, and three main power points as well. We've also got some other great connectivity too. Right, on the back, we also have the main point for charging. We've got the Anderson point, and we've also got the main AC input. Right, so let's have a look at the battery, as that's the most important thing that most people think of when they're looking at power stations. This one here has got a 6-cell battery, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, giving it a massive capacity. It is an EV battery, so it's the same sort of thing they use in a lot of electronic cars. We've also got the battery management system. This is used for like regulating power instabilities and all those sort of things, making sure the battery doesn't overheat or do anything crazy, giving you the most efficient charge and input and output from the battery. We've also got the PCS system, the power control system. This is again used for power going in the device and going out of the device too. We've got the front panel, so with all the connections, and we've got the back panel. There's also got a couple of fans on there, helping with sort of things like heat dissipation. As you know, charging batteries can get a little bit hot sometimes. We've also got the sturdy frame. This sturdy frame is pretty cool. It can take up to 220 pounds of weight, so around about 100 kilograms. So I know if I sit on it, I'm not going to break it. Okay, I just want to pop it on charge a second because I want to show you something pretty cool. So let's just plug it in. Let's just quickly turn it around. Right, as you can see there, it's starting to charge. I'll be back in a second. Ooh, okay, that's done. Right, as you can see, that charges really quickly. It can get to above 80% in less than an hour. Kind of what I really needed, to be honest. It's a great charger. Okay, let's start with making a cup of coffee, because I do like a good cup of coffee in the morning. So you can see here, the output power is going up. But I'm greedy. I don't just want a cup of coffee, I want a cup of tea as well. So let's plug in my kettle. Right, so you can see here, the kettle is on as well. In a second, oh, it's overloaded. So I know instantly that by popping this in, I've of course an overload. So I can literally just unplug it, give it a second, and away I go again. This one here is quite a smart device like that, so it can actually save you power by knowing when to cut out. Also, it has a really smart app on here. You can control when it charges. So if you're in an area where you get different rates of electricity for like peak and off peak or certain hours during the day, you can set up which time of day the actual power station does charge, therefore saving you some money. It could save you, maybe in a year, the same amount of money as it cost you to buy the power station, which is pretty cool, right? Also, it has some built-in protection features. If it gets to 30% of charge, it will give you a quick warning letting you know you should charge it. Because if it goes below 20%, which it will also warn you, it could actually damage the battery. So, giving it a great smart device here with an app that connects via Bluetooth, which is available on both app stores. Okay, it's a great power station. It can charge up to 80% in around about an hour, which is pretty cool. It's got great output, 1,000 watts, has multiple ports as well, and it is lightweight. So, even a child could lift this, because look, it's absolutely amazingly easy to pick up with, great overcharge protection, great battery management systems, and all sorts of excellent parts inside of it, making it an absolute essential. Think about it like this. If you want to go camping, great. If you want to see it far out in the garden, well away from the children or something like that, and just be able to do a little bit of work, perfect. Or if you're a new age live streamer and you want to be in the middle of a forest or somewhere grand and outdoors, You can plug in your laptop, your camera, and your lighting and be well away. Or, let's be honest, in a more serious situation, whether you've had a hurricane, a massive rainstorm, or a snowstorm, or something a little bit out of this world, like a tsunami, and your power's gone out. This here will be a great friend to you at that particular moment, giving you options to power those life essentials. Maybe be a fridge because you need to keep medicine cool, or something like, completely, utterly life-saving. This here will be a practical device for you. This is a brand new product, guys. Don't miss out on it.